Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to show you breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs allow you to indicate to the user the current page's location within the hierarchy of the website. You've probably seen them before. They usually organize something like home / there may be like a folder name or the section name / and maybe the content page you're on. To code these, they're really simple. What you need is a ordered list, and then this needs to have a class of breadcrumb. I always think of the actual breadcrumbs, crumbs of bread, when I talk about breadcrumbs in Bootstrap. Just me. Or is it? And then I need to do a list item, and the list item is going to be gonna have a class, and this class is just simply gonna be active, and I'll explain in a moment why it's active. I'm gonna put this as home, and then I'm just gonna make it simple. And then, actually, nah, don't need this to have a class at all. This is actually gonna have an ahref. So we're gonna put ahref, and this would usually link to something like home.html. We don't have a page called that, but that's usually what it would look like. Copy and paste that a couple of times. This will usually, okay, I'm gonna put this as library, and this will usually link to something like library.html. It doesn't have to be local to your server. It can be online as, another website as well. The ahref can link to, so that's okay. And the third list item, we're gonna make it as the current page. You can have more list items, but the last one is generally or should be your current page. So just get rid of the ahref because the user's already on that page, so you don't want them to be able to go back to that one. And for this, I'm just gonna put page I am on, and for this I'm gonna put a class of active. So this just says I'm on this page, where these are clickable, so you can go back in the hierarchy of your website, which is very common. So if I refresh, and there you go, we have our breadcrumb. We have a background, border radius, the / are done automatically, and these aren't clickable. If I were to click on this, it's saying no website is found, because obviously we don't have a page called library.html, but both of these link back to the hierarchy that we have created right here, and it's literally only a few lines to create quality breadcrumbs. So that's how you create breadcrumbs in Bootstrap for your navigational hierarchy. If you have any questions, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk /question.php. There'll be a link in the description, plus there'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it really does help us understand what you like, what you don't like. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.